In this video, I will show you how to open up your Buick Century key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This device doesn't need any special tools or anything like that to open up. It's a very simple process. You will just need one of these CR2032 batteries. I will put a link down in the description so you can get one of those on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. If you are interested, just go check that out and click on that link. So the first step here, we're just going to pick up our device, look down at the bottom here, and as you'll see, right along the seam here, there is this little slot in the plastic right on the bottom there. Just going to take a regular flathead screwdriver. You could also use a coin, and you're just going to insert into that area until it kind of sticks in there, and you're just going to firmly hold your device and twist. Just twist enough until you hear it crack open, and then you can finish it with your fingers so you don't damage this little part there. So just crack it open, pull it apart, and now we have access to the battery. So you can just use your fingernail to pull this out. You could also use a screwdriver or something like that, but it's really, if you have long fingernails, you can get under there. I can't get it right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab this flathead screwdriver and just put the corner of it under the battery and lift it out. Once you get your battery out, just dispose of your old battery, and when you're putting in your new CR2032 battery, make sure the positive side goes face down. And you will just click that in, positive side down, and just click the two halves of the device back together, and you are done. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this YouTube channel where we have videos for the devices of pretty much every make or model. And you can also get all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.